We'll guide you through how to use AnyDesk for beginners. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that allows you to access and control another computer from anywhere. So let's get started. First, open a web browser on computer and go to AnyDesk by searching AnyDesk. And after you are in the AnyDesk website, just click on Downloads and click on Download Now. Choose your file location and download AnyDesk. And as I have already downloaded my AnyDesk, I will just open it directly. In most cases, you don't need to fully install it and it can run instantly. When you open AnyDesk, you will see an AnyDesk address in the top. This is your unique ID that others can use to connect to your device. Now let's understand how to connect to another computer or device. On your screen, you will see a section called Remote Desk, which is usually on the top. On the screen, you will see a section called Remote Desk. To connect another device, enter the AnyDesk address of the other computer in this field. A connection request will now appear on the other computer. On that device, click Allow to allow the connection. You may also see permissions like allowing control of the mouse and keyboard, file access, or clipboard sharing. Make sure to allow only the necessary permission depending on what you want to do. Once accepted, you will be able to control the other computer remotely. You can move the mouse, open file, install software, or just perform any task like you are physically using that device. Now, let's go over a few useful features for a beginner. At the top of the screen, you will see a toolbar with different options. From here, you can adjust the display settings, and you can also use the file transfer by just clicking on Browse Files. Another useful feature is the chat options, which allows you to communicate with the person on the other device during the session. Just type any message that you want to send, and it will be sent to the another person, like so. If you want unattended access, you can set a password in the security settings. Just click on the horizontal lines on the top right and click on Set Password, and you can set the password from here. And this allows you to connect to the device anytime without needing someone to accept the request manually. However, make sure to keep your password secure and only share it with your trusted person. And to end the session, simply go to the top left corner and you will see a small cross icon just beside the numbers. Just click on it and the session will be closed. And you have successfully learned how to use AnyDesk as a beginner. In this video, we showed you how to download AnyDesk, connect to another devices, understand basic feature, and control a computer remotely.